All right, we have a bridge 4,224 feet long, and we're trying to figure out what constant rate in miles per hour must be maintained in order to walk across the bridge in 12 minutes. All right, so we're talking about miles per hour, and we're also talking about minutes. So we need to get these units the same. So let's take, plus we're talking about miles, and this is feet. So let's take 4,224 feet, and let's change that to miles. So I need to multiply this by a factor where feet cancel, and I'm left with miles. And they tell us that 1 mile, 1 mile is 5,280 feet. Okay, so that's going to be 4,224 feet cancel over 5,280 miles. So I got that. And now let's take that 12 minutes and let's change it to hours. So I want minutes to cancel. And we know there's 60 minutes in 1 hour. So that will be, those cancel. 12 will go into 65 times. So that's going to be 1/5 hour. Now, we know that distance equals rate times time, and we're trying to figure out the rate. So that means D over T equals rate. So the distance, or we just, I don't think I want to do it like that. Let's use this formula here. Distance, which is miles, that's 4,224, 5,280 miles equals R, what we're trying to find, times 1/5 hour. So let's clear our fractions by multiplying both sides by 5. That's going to give 4,224 over 5,280 equals R. And let's divide 5 into 5,280. 5 into 5,280. Do that, let me see. I did that on the side of my paper, and I got 1056. I did long division. I'm just not doing it here because of the size of the video. And then let's do 4 will go into both of these. 4 will go into 4,224, 1056. Isn't that convenient? And 4 will go into 1056, 264. So let's clean this up. I've got 1056 over 264 equals the rate. And then if you divide 264 into 1056, you get 4. So there's your answer. I really don't have any shortcuts.